This video demonstrates the proper procedures for lamp alignment on Barco's digital projectors. Begin by following the recommended procedures for installing the replacement lamp. After the lamp housing is installed, leave the side door off and turn the power to the projector on. Connect the control console to the terminal at the rear of the projector and launch the communicator software. On the main menu, log in as a service technician. Select the Installation tab on the right. Select Lamp, then Lamp Information. On the Lamp Information screen, select Change Lamp. You will then select From New List. On the new pop-up screen, scroll down to select the correct replacement lamp type. Enter the lamp serial code. This code can be found on a printed sheet included in the lamp packaging. Select Reset Lamp and verify that you want to reset the lamp parameters. Close the lamp information window. Start the lamp manually using the projector control panel. Wait at least 5 minutes for the lamp to fully warm up and stabilize luminance. To perform automated calibration, select the Auto Lamp Alignment screen and then start Fine Alignment. The projector will complete all calibration tasks automatically. For manual lamp alignment, select Light Output to begin the calibration process. Adjust the X-axis calibration knob to achieve the maximum light output reading. The output measurement is displayed on the console. As you adjust the axis past the optimum position, you will see the output reading begin to drop. Make smaller adjustments back and forth until you have maximized the light output. Use the same method to adjust the Y and Z axes. Once the maximum light level is reached, select CLO mode to set the lamp to constant lamp output. Select Close to exit the calibration screen. Replace the side door and tighten the 2 captive screws. Alignment is complete. Now it's showtime.